Something about me ambition. Keep me on the money mission. Believe na me G's, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down. That's just me ambition. Ambition. Keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition. Ambition. Yo, hustle every day, me no waste time.
Original bad man. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. It's alright, and you know we got the vibe as you going. We bringing them in now till the early morning. Got the barbecue on fire. She have to act like the umpire. Dance all around the bonfire. No undercover, me now wear wire. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video, guys. It's Toya here. For everyone who's coming to my channel for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate y'all. Okay. So today we're gonna be doing my 29th birthday photo shoot. Alright, so the aim is 3 looks. Alright, I'm at home, I'm getting ready, I'm running a little bit late, okay, but we're trying to get things together. Basically, what me, Renzo, and Camille are gonna do today is basically just shoot offhand. We'll have a baseline plan, I think, but we're not 100% sure how this is going to play out. So I'm thinking after I beat my face, you know, then we'll see where this goes. Kind of feel like I want you guys to join me outside when my face is done. How about that? That good? Alright, cool. I'll go do that then. Alright guys, so I am in the car. I am on my way to go get Camille. I'm super excited about this shoot. However, as I told you guys, what we're going to be doing is winging it. Some of us hope it wing exactly how we want it and look how we want it. You feel me?
You're gonna pick up your friend, right?
Yeah, but I mean, it's so full of things anyway. Just one of those things. I'm hungry or fat. Seriously, guys. She start cuss yet?
No.
She start cuss yet?
I'm gonna cuss again like you should have tell me.
Dad, which way is it? No, easier for that way here. What's your man without shirt? How are this? Well, nothing new.
Afternoon.
Wait, what we get tool from? You revamp it?
Yeah, girl.
You love tool, you see? You just love tool, so. Oh my god, alright, so as I told you guys, the aim is to do at least 3 looks today. Alright, that's the aim. I feel like more lip gloss. Rinse. Truck. This is look numero 1. Alright, it's ready when you're ready.
It's time for a little party. Original bad man. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. It's alright, and you know we got the vibe as you going. We bringing them in now till the early morning. Got the barbecue on fire. She have to act like the umpire. Dance all around the bonfire. No undercover, me now wear wire. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You have all them drinks on me. You have all them drinks on me.
because there's something about things being here. I prefer they eat it.
You know the
Alive! Oh my gosh! I know! Hi, pretty girl! She loves what's up the train and take Oh, nice! Yeah, it's really good. A good man. Hi! Oh, that's, she's so cute!
Come have liquid gin and tonic. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. City girls, them a whine upon me.
Ding dong dong?
Yeah, this one.
What is that, girl?
The one we go so. Friends, you know.
Okay. Stir this food. Stir up.
stir fry.
Stir
fry. In the better than me, say stir fries. Not fries.
Guys, so look too.
Thank you for praying.
I kinda had to do a little bit of touching up on shit. Change locations today, guys. Well, today, right now, we're gonna change locations. We're going to go to another spot with kind of like a local forestry type of vibe. I'll show you guys when we get there. But this train location was very good to us. It did good. We get some nice shots. So we're gonna move now. Got the other spot and see if we can knock that out in like 30 minutes. I think these might be my fave. Alright, this needs to come off. The clip-ons. I hope they stay. Renzo, you know, say, when a big man love you, you have to stop it.
Like you want to say, what are you doing, Babylon?
Is he talking to us? Yo, that top here, I know. Oh, this top, bro. Oh, yeah, but me like that look of floor there.
Yeah, it's open. So it go open up.
Yeah,
Back part.
that nice though. Johnson. Really? Come, go. Let's go. Get my cracks.
Where
Get my
are
cracks. You know what this is, Cam? This is manifestation right here.
Nice. Them have on the same color as you, black and white.
Fabulosity.
Are they gonna pass me the question? Yeah. Are they fuck me?
No.
Go!
Come on.
Let me get come on. Let me tell you after. One team start. One start. Go!
Over. One. Over. Over. Come up. Come up. Come.
Go, little one.
Hi guys, so I just got in. What a day. I removed my foundation. I still have my eye makeup on because the foundation was basically coming after how scorching hot it was outside. I've never had a shoot and had that problem ever in life. I don't know what going on. What I'm finna do now is eat. I got me some food from The Nice Flavor on Instagram. So I got some oxtail. I put the fork in there. I got me some oxtails with some butter beans and some jasmine rice, plantain, vegetable. Should open me out. So I'm gonna devour this oxtail right now and see if I can do some editing because I have time. I need to grab my business phone and reply to some messages and some emails. I've been lapsing, but So the man that allowed us to shoot with the sheep was a high of life moment for me. And let me tell you, when he suggested it, I was literally surprised. I was taken aback because I kind of over the years lost faith in humanity, and when he just suggested it, I was like, damn, this man is in tune. Like, yeah, all right, fam. So, like, he sees the vision, like literally. That was epic. Like, the only way I can describe it is epic. Like, that was literally epic. So if you do end up seeing this video, sir, thank you so much. It meant a lot to me. Definitely meant a lot to me. And I'll never forget that moment. Like, literally, like the epic shot we were trying to get was of them coming out on both sides, but they're so strategic. They only came out on one side, bruh. Like, only the one side. Wherever the leader goes is where the rest of them are going to go. It was probably like the highlight of my day, and that was the very last look. Today was just a great day. Shout out to Camille and shout out to Renzo for making today an awesome day, and I will see you guys on my birthday.